Hello everyone. In this video we're going to be looking at LeetCode problem 1507, which is Reformat Date. So this problem states, given a date string in the form day, month, year, where day is in the set, 1st, 2nd, 3rd, all the way down to the 31st, month is in the set January, February, March, all the way down to December, and year is in the range 1900 to 2100. So basically we're going to convert the date string to the format 4-digit year, 2-digit month, and a 2-digit day. So let's look at the first example. We have the 20th of October 2052. So they want the year first, followed by dash, followed by the month, followed by the day without the th attached to it. Second example, 6th June of 1933, and see how they append a 0 to the 6. So we're going to have to account for that. And then this is the month, 06, and then the 6th day. And then the 26th of May is 1960, 05 is the month of May, and 26. So to do this, we're going to, where is it? Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is create a hash map that's going to store the month and the number associated with each month. So we're just going to put all 12 of these into the hash map. And you can pause the video here. I'm not going to pause it myself for a couple minutes if you need to copy this down. But this is just creating the hash map. So now the first line in the solution is going to be this one. Date is equal null, or date length is equal 0. Then we're just going to return null. So we need to take care of the date. So we're going to do a date array, and we're going to split based on the space. So you'll have the year, the month, and the day in a separate separate arrays. So now we need to take care of the day. So we're going to take date array 0, substring 0, and now we're going to do the length minus 2. So in other words, if we have 20th, we want to get rid of the th, and so we're going to subtract 2. Now, when we do that, if the length is equal to 1, meaning it's 1 through 9 on the day, we've got to append a 0 to it. And so the day string will always have 2 digits. And then we're just going to return date array 2, which is the year. So that's first. Then we're going to do a dash. Then we're going to access this hash map and get the date array 1. So in other words, if it's October, it's going to find the key OCT and return 10 plus, and then the 2-digit day that we created. How to debug this. So I picked the 20th October 2052. So we're going to create this hash map. I'll just speed through this. This is just building that. Okay. So we're going to split the date into 3. So you see here we've got a date array now that has 20th October in 2052. So now we're going to take care of this day string, which has the th on it. And we're going to substring that starting at position 0 and do date array length, which is going to be 4 minus 2. So we hit the day string, turns out to be 20. So if day string length equals 1, which it isn't, so we don't need to worry about that. Now we're just going to return date array 2, which is the year. So 2 is the year. Then we'll do the months get date array. So we're going to get October out of the hash map and return 10, and then append the day on the end of it, which is the 20. So if we do that, you'll see it's 2052, 10, 20. And that is the answer. All right, I'll give you a little sneak peek here on the time complexity. It's O of n because of the hash map. And the space complexity is O of 1. We're just passing in a string date and returning the date in a different string format. So no extra space is needed. And of course, I forgot to run it through LeetCode. So let's do that real quick. All right, run the code here. And it's successful, accepted. So now we'll submit it. And the numbers don't look too good on that, so we'll run it again. And it looks like we're not going to get anything. Well, that's a little bit better. So not the fastest solution. Uses a lot of memory, but I think it's the simplest to understand. And that's it. So let me know if you have questions. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.